Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome to Telecom Forum channel. This is Silambarasan Chandran. Today we are going to discuss about how to troubleshoot the GPS alarms in DUS or baseband of LTE. So let me proceed to the content. This is a block diagram of GPS connectivity from DUS or baseband towards GPS antenna. The interface between the baseband or DUS to the GPS receiver is a LAN cable, and GPS receiver to GPS arrestor is a arrestor cable, and GPS arrestor to the GPS antenna is a IF cable. Let's suppose if you have the network sync time from GPS missing alarm in the baseband or DUS, your GPS might be disabled and you have the LOS alarm as well. During the time, we have the observation as there is a local connectivity issue from baseband towards the GPS receiver. If GPS receiver do not have the operational LED, means we have to check the LAN cable connectivity from the baseband towards the GPS receiver. If it is required, we have to replace the LAN cable towards GPS receiver. If still the problem is exist, means we have to check the port in the baseband as well as the DUS. If it is required, we have to replace the baseband as well. If the GPS receiver operational LED is blinking, means we have to follow the step-by-step troubleshooting procedure. We have to use the multimeter. We have to check the GPS receiver output. Exactly, we should get the output as 5.3 volt DC. If it is okay, if the GPS receiver output is okay, means we have to check further. We have to check the arrestor cable output. If we get 5.3 voltage DC, the connectivity between baseband towards GPS arrestor, that is GPS arrestor cable, is okay. Then we have to check further. Again, we have to check the output of GPS arrestor through multimeter. If we get the output as 5.3 volt DC, the continuity from the baseband to GPS arrestor output is okay. Then we have to check the connectivity from GPS arrestor towards the GPS antenna through IF cable. We have to check the IF cable output through multimeter. If we get 5.3 volt, means it is good. The connectivity from baseband towards the GPS antenna interfaces are okay. If the problem is still existing, even though if we are getting the 5.3 voltage output in the IF cable output, we have to replace the GPS antenna. So guys, this is a step-by-step procedure to resolve the network sync time from GPS missing alarm. Let's suppose if you are not receiving the output at any one of the interfaces like GPS arrestor output or IF cable output or GPS receiver output, we have to replace the corresponding interface unit. This is hardware details. This is a baseband 6630 and DUS. The connectivity from the baseband or DUS towards GPS receiver is a LAN cable. Again, GPS receiver to surge arrestor through arrestor cable. From surge arrestor to GPS antenna is a IF cable. If we get 5.3 voltage in the GPS receiver output, the connectivity between baseband to GPS receiver is okay. Then we have to troubleshoot further. We have to check the surge arrestor output cable through multimeter. If we get 5.3 volt, the connectivity from baseband towards surge arrestor is okay. This is a step-by-step procedure to troubleshoot. It starts with baseband towards the GPS antenna. This is a step-by-step troubleshooting process. Just to go through it. The output should be 5.3 volt DC. Timing sync fault. Let's suppose if the LTE side is down with timing sync fault, we have to follow the below mentioned procedure to resolve the issue. The first one is GPS reset. Let front office will make the GPS reset by using this command through remotely. Still the GPS is disabled and site is down. We have to send the field team to make the physical troubleshooting of GPS. In the meanwhile, front office will contact the back office to check the GPS offset parameters. Once the site is up, GPS is enabled, we have to run the following commands to revert back the GPS offset parameters. We have to revert back to the old GPS offset values according to the design. Once it is fine, once it is back to normal, we have to send the notification email to the optimization team and performance team that site was having GPS or sync issue in order for them to verify the KPI. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends.